All right, so here we are. Came back for monthly updates. Welcome back. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Also, if you have any good suggestions or comments, put them down in the comments below. Let's look at what we started with. So now that we've built it, we got windows and walls. The walls are super insulated. The windows, they worked out to be about an R4. It's one low E coating and argon filled, which I know, windows are usually measured in U ratings, but in a quick conversion that's not exact, it's about an R4, which is not bad for a greenhouse. Way better than those little plastic ones, the single wall plastic, and even better than the double wall plastic, which is about an R2. Let's talk about what has changed since you saw the build. I put sand all the way around the outside, some sand and some backfill. I put it up to about halfway up that 4x6 that's on the side. That prevents any wind coming through. I've had one critter, and I have put a mousetrap out. He's up in my ridge vent. He's just gnawing around on that damn styrofoam. One, it's annoying. Two, he's destroying my shit. So I put a mousetrap up. Hopefully he'll either run away, dogs will kill it, or he'll get caught in my trap. We'll see what happens. So how did it perform so far? With very little added, we were able to do a 6-degree swing. Now this is in the end of November. This isn't in the dead of winter. I don't think that we would get the same results in the dead of winter, but right now we're able to go down to 26 degrees, no frost, no freezing, no heating, no problem. But as we go on, we're gonna have to add more heat to this, right? So what are we doing to change this? We're putting in water. What I just added is 3 55-gallon drums with about 50 gallons of water in them. Now it's 150 gallons of water, but that's not gonna be enough either. What I saw as a good thumb rule is about 2.5 gallons per 100 square feet. So this is 20 by 16, which is 320 square feet. So man, if you multiply that by 2.5, that's 800 gallons. So I'm trying to do this with 55-gallon drums. I don't think I want to fit 16 55-gallon drums in here. So what I'm going to try to do is circulate that water in the drums that I do fit in here to try to increase the heat as much as possible in those drums and equalize that high heat. So when it dissipates throughout the night, I'm able to keep above freezing in here. So that's the current plan. I'm going to put as many 55-gallon drums in here, fill them up with water, circulate that water through the drums, and then circulate that water through tubes that's absorbing the heat during the day from the sun, and we'll see what we got. So this is the first update. It's only been a month, guys. I didn't do that much stuff. I just, like I said, I kind of sealed it up, put that sand around, filled in a little bit here and there, but I haven't done much changes. It's mostly been data collection, and that data tells me I can get down to 26 degrees right now without a problem. Any colder than that, it's kind of iffy. It did get down to 18 degrees one night. I got scared. I wasn't able to take that chance on it and just see what it did. I don't want to kill the plants at all, but I definitely don't want them to die right now. So we put this electric oil heater in here. We heated it up. We did pay for heat, which is not the overall goal. In the future, I'm going to put this little meter on here that tells me how many watts I'm actually using and what this is actually costing me to heat it. Now, if it's not costing me that much and we can keep this year-round greenhouse with less trouble, I might just go with that. But you have to stay tuned to find out. All right, on that note, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you in the next update.